You've got your puppet. You know who they are. And now comes the moment most people feel unsure about. Actually trying it with a child. You might be thinking, what if they ask something I can't answer? Or what if they expect my puppet to talk? What if this just feels awkward? So what you need here is something simple. A way to start that takes the pressure off. And I'm going to give you that. Exactly what to say. And I walk you through why this works, so you understand what you're doing. Let me show you what I tell the child and just notice what happens. Hey, I want to tell you something. I bought a puppet. I saw someone playing with a puppet and it looked like so much fun that I wanted to try it too. But I'm not very good at it yet. So I'm taking lessons and I need to practice. Let's pause here for a moment. What did I do? I showed them 3 things. 1, I'm trying something new, just like they do. 2, I'm not good at it yet. I'm learning and I go to school for it. And that last part, children usually love that. Because now you're not the adult who knows everything. You're someone learning something. Just like them. Okay, next part. So, I was wondering if you could help me a little. I need to practice moving the puppet. Just moving it for now. It can't talk yet. We haven't learned that part. That sentence, I can't talk yet, makes a big difference because now you don't have to perform. You don't have to do voices. You don't have to get it right. You're just practicing. And when they ask, why doesn't it talk? You already have your answer. I haven't learned that yet. Children understand that. They are learning all the time. Okay, one more piece. I also need to practice eye contact. He needs to look at you. So if you can tell me when he is, that really helps me. And now something shifts. They are not being worked on, they are helping you. And most children really like that. So that's the story. Now your child might start asking questions. What's his name? Where does he live? When that happens, stay with yourself. Just answer as yourself. I don't know yet. Or, that's a good question. Or, we haven't learned that yet. You don't have to make things up. And children are totally okay with that. They don't expect you to know everything. There are a few things to keep in mind. Don't try to do it perfectly, because that's not the point. Second, don't skip this step. Without the story, it can feel confusing for a child. Don't wait until you feel ready, because you probably won't. That's exactly why this works. You are allowed to not be ready. So, what can you expect? Most children will be curious. Some will laugh, that's okay. Some will ask questions right away. Some will want to try the puppet, let them. And some will just watch, that's okay too. You've introduced something new. You've created space. And You've given yourself permission to practice. Try it. Tell the story, see what happens. And when you don't know something, say so. You don't need to be good at this yet. You just need to start. You're learning together. So try it this week and let me know how it goes.